cost or it is estimated cost. It is estimated cost. So I hope all of you have understood implicit cost and explicit cost. Please pause the video and note down this. See, after this, how will you classify means between explicit cost and, or you can say how will you differentiate explicit cost and implicit cost. See, now first of all, see, suppose if I write here rent on land, rent on land, and suppose if I write here rent on land. See, this is the example of explicit cost and this is the example of implicit cost. See, take another interest on capital, interest on capital and interest on land. So on capital. So this is the example of implicit and this is the example of explicit. See, now take next salary of on workers, salary of workers, or salary of employee, salary of employee, or see, salary of on employee. So this is the example of implicit and this is the example of explicit. See, take another example like see, use of machinery, use of expenditure on use of machinery, expenditure on the use of machinery. Now this is the example of explicit and expenditure on use of on machinery, on machinery. So on word means here, so it means it will be explicit cost. So implicit cost will be implicit cost. So I hope all of you have understood means how will you categorize implicit cost or implicit cost. See, please pause the video and note down this. See next, cost function, cost function. What do you mean by this? It refers to the functional relationship, between output and cost of production, So this is the definition of cost function. It refers to the functional relationship between output and cost of production. See, now cost function symbolically expressed as C is equal to FQ. C is equal to FQ. C means cost of production and F means functional relationship and Q means output. See, output increases, cost of production increases, means output decreases, cost of production decreases. It means positive relationship. There exists a positive relationship between cost of production and output. See, now after this, see, means we are talking about main cost of production. So after this, we are going to discuss types of cost. cost. Types of cost. See, different types of cost. TFC, TVC, TC, AFC, ABC, AC, MC. See, different types of cost. TFC means total fixed cost, total variable cost, total cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost, average cost, marginal cost. So means these are different types of cost. First of all, we will discuss TFC. First of all, we will discuss TFC. See, now TFC, total fixed cost, total fixed cost. See, it refer to those costs which do not vary directly with the level of output. It means or you can say it see, you can say like this, it means total fixed cost, total fixed cost remain constant at all level of output, at all levels of output, at all levels of output. See, for example, salary of permanent staff, salary of permanent staff, insurance premium, rent on land, I hope it is visible. See, now, see, it is visible. See, salary of permanent staff, insurance premium, rent on land, comma, etc. See, it refers to those costs which do not vary directly with the level of output. It means total fixed costs remain constant at all levels of output. For example, salary of permanent staff, insurance premium, rent on land. Suppose, see, now where we will try to understand this definition is definition of total fixed cost with the help of the example. See, सपोज अगर मुझे बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, अगर मुझे क्या करना है, बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, ठीक है, तो मैंने क्या करा, उस बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करने के लिए मैंने 10 परमानेंट एम्प्लॉय हायर करे. कितने एम्प्लॉय हायर करे? 10 परमानेंट विच आर परमानेंट, यू कैन से मींस 10 परमानेंट एम्प्लॉय हु आर परमानेंट. सी, आफ्टर दिस मैंने क्या करा बेटा, अपने बिजनेस का इंश्योरेंस करवाया. क्या करवाया? इंश्योरेंस. ठीक है, उसके बाद मैंने क्या करवाया? इंश्योरेंस. सी, थर्ड, अपने बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करने के लिए मैंने बिल्डिंग को क्या लिया? रेंट पे लिया. एक बिल्डिंग को क्या लिया? रेंट पे लिया. ये एक लैंड को किस पे लिया? रेंट पे लिया. अब सी, यानी व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? इट मींस दैट मैं प्रोडक्शन करूं या ना करूं. अगर मैं प्रोडक्शन सपोज करो, मेरा प्रोडक्शन लेवल अभी 0 है. राइट नाउ माय प्रोडक्शन लेवल इज 0. मेरा प्रोडक्शन लेवल क्या है? 0. तो 0 का मतलब क्या है कि ये जो लेबर है, जो एम्प्लॉई है, वो वर्क नहीं कर रहे होंगे. ऑब्वियसली मींस दे आर फ्री. अकॉर्डिंग टू माय स्टेटमेंट दे आर फ्री. सी, इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम, अगर मैंने अपनी कंपनी का इंश्योरेंस करवाया है तो मुझे जो भी क्वार्टरली है या हाफ ईयरली है, मुझे इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम देना ही देना है। रेंट, मैं मीन्स चाहे मैं बिजनेस करूं या ना करूं, मीन्स कि मुझे मैं प्रोडक्शन करूं या ना करूं, मुझे रेंट देना ही देना है। यानी ये कॉस्ट ऐसी कॉस्ट हो गई बेटा कि जिनको मैं रिमूव नहीं कर सकता। मीन्स चाहे मैं प्रोडक्शन एक जीरो लेवल पर करूं या मीडियम लेवल पर या फिर टॉप लेवल पर, मुझे एम्प्लॉय को सैलरी उतनी देनी है, इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम तब भी उतना ही जाएगा और रेंट भी तब भी उतना ही जाएगा। यानी आप प्रोडक्शन करो या मत करो, मीन्स चाहे तो आपका प्रोडक्शन लो हो या आपका प्रोडक्शन हाई हो, क्लियर है, आपको ये कॉस्ट तो मीन्स पे करनी ही होगी। 10 एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी गिवन आउट करनी ही पड़ेगी, क्यों? बिकॉज दे आर परमानेंट। आपको इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम देना ही देना है, चाहे प्रोडक्शन करो या मत करो। आफ्टर दिस, आपने अगर किसी बिल्डिंग को रेंट पे लिया है तो सामने वाले पर्सन को आपके प्रोडक्शन से कोई मतलब नहीं है, उसे आपसे बस रेंट लेना है, चाहे प्रोडक्शन करो या मत करो। सो आई होप आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया। टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट, इट रेफर्स टू दोज कॉस्ट व्हिच डू नॉट वेरी डायरेक्टली विद द लेवल ऑफ आउटपुट। सी, either output decreases or increases, total fixed cost remains constant, total fixed cost remains constant. So I hope all of you have understood, either output is zero or you will either output is low or high, total fixed cost remains same. So these are the example of total fixed cost: salary of permanent staff, insurance premium, rent on land. See, always remember, either output is low or high, total fixed cost remains constant, total fixed cost remain same. I hope all of you have understood what do you mean by total fixed cost according to my example. So please pause the video and note down this. See, after this, you know that we are discussing TFC. So, see, what do you mean by TFC? TFC refer to those costs which do not vary directly with the level of output. For example, or you can say TFC remains constant. TFC remains same or constant at all levels of output. At all levels of output. Now, after this, first of all, you will write definition. First of all, you will write definition, then after you will write example, then after you will write, see, TFC curve is horizontal straight line, horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis. After this, total fixed cost, total fixed cost is also known as supplementary cost, supplementary cost, overhead cost, indirect cost, unavoidable cost, unavoidable cost. Now, TFC remains same whether output is large, small or even zero. So I hope all of you have understood what do you mean by total fixed cost. First of all, definition, it refers to those costs which do not change directly with the level of output. You can say which do not vary directly with the level of output. For example, salary of permanent staff, staff, or you can say insurance premium, rent on land, or you can say depreciation on machinery. See, after this, TFC curve is a horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis, because you know that TFC remains same whether output is large, small, or even zero. After this, total fixed cost is also known as supplementary cost, overhead cost, indirect cost, unavoidable cost. Means either your output is zero. See, whether output is large, small, or even zero, you can't ignore. Or you can say you can't avoid total fixed cost. Means you have to pay total fixed cost. For example, you have to pay salary of permanent staff, you have to pay your insurance premium amount, you have to pay rent on land, whether output is large, small, or even zero. Now after this we will discuss means this cost with the help of numerical example and with the help of diagram. So please pause the video and note down this.